English ASAP, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. For today's video, I want to look at helping you to learn English speaking. It may seem like a daunting task. What do you think? Do you feel overwhelmed when thinking about learning English speaking? Well, there's absolutely no need. I'm going to give you a way to make learning English speaking much easier. As I've mentioned in previous videos, learning English is about confidence, but it's also about practicing until the language comes more naturally. And by learning phrases that you use in certain situations, you'll be that little bit closer to fluency. And greetings are often the first step. So let's look at some phrases that you can use when greeting someone in English. Firstly, I want to look at some formal phrases. Can you think of any? Please leave them in the comments below. You can use formal language when in a business meeting or a business environment. If you are meeting somebody for the first time, you could say something like this. I'm Charlotte Jones. Nice to meet you. Or, hello, it's wonderful to meet you. And don't forget that tone of voice is very important when trying to sound polite in English. If you've met this person before, you could say something like this. Good morning, how are you today? Or, good afternoon, wonderful weather we're having. And don't forget that we only say good night when somebody is going to bed. It's better to say good evening when greeting somebody at night. But what about greeting your friends or people in a less formal situation? Have you got any cool greetings? I would love to hear them. This is how I like to greet my friends. Hey, how's it going? Or, hi, how are you? Or, hello, darling, for really close friends. And if you haven't seen someone in a long time, you could say, hello, I've missed you. Or, hello, long time, which is a shortening of the phrase long time no see, which you use when you haven't seen somebody in a while. I hope you found this video useful and that you've learned some phrases to use in formal and informal greetings. Don't forget to subscribe for more Learn English ASAP videos, and see you soon. Bye bye.